Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money on Snapchat Spotlight. Now guys, do you know that the same way you have Reels on Instagram, on Facebook, you have your YouTube Shorts, now Snapchat has what is called the Snapchat Spotlight, where you can post creative 60 seconds videos and then you make money. Now guys, all you need to do is to try to get attentions of your viewers, because the more attention you get, the more money you make on Snapchat. Now the first thing to do is to head over to your Snapchat. Now I'm going to go to my profile icon at the left hand side of my screen. Now I'm going to scroll over to where I see add spotlight, and I'll tap on the three dots there. Now I'm going to tap on create a public profile. Then I'm going to click on get started. Now as you can see here, I'm going to be tapping on create, and then my public profile for the Snapchat Spotlight will be created. Now guys, the next thing you want to do to make money with Snapchat Spotlight is creating unique and captivating videos. Now here are some guidelines to look out for when you want to create videos. Now the first one is not to copy anyone. Now Snapchat Spotlight is going to pay you for your original videos. You can get inspiration by coming to the button at the bottom left hand corner of the screen, which is the Snapchat Spotlight button. Now, as you can see, those are contents from other creators. So you can actually get your inspiration by looking at those trends there and looking at what other creators have done. But please try to create original content. Now, another thing you should do or consider before creating a Snapchat Spotlight, for you to choose a unique niche. Now, you can choose maybe sports, cooking, you can showcase your skills, but just make sure you have a knowledge about any niche that you are choosing. Now guys, another thing you should consider before making a Snapchat Spotlight video is to make sure it's entertaining, because when your video is captivating and is entertaining, it draws the attention of your viewers, and that gives you more views and enables you to earn more using your Snapchat Spotlight. Now guys, another thing you should do is to try and use your Snapchat filters professionally. Now guys, I'm just going to give you my extra tips for visibility on Snapchat Spotlight. Now the first thing you have to do if you know you want to go viral is to post regularly. Another thing you can do to enable your videos go viral is to use the challenges or the trends that are available or trending at that time on Snapchat. Guys, another thing you can do guys is to use relevant hashtags, because this actually increases your visibility. Now another thing you can do is to engage with your followers, engaging by responding to comments. And another thing you can do for visibility is to collaborate with other creators within the same niche as you are. Now when you collaborate with them, their visibility plus the one that you have gives you an extra edge to make more income. Now guys, this is all you need to know about your Snapchat Spotlight. Make sure you have an account and then start creating and follow the tips that I've given you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in our next video. Bye.